125 bench press this morning, working our pectoral majors, wide, nice and wide grip. We're gonna do flat back. Gonna do shoulders today too, shoulders and trapezes muscles after this. Pretty sickening. Here we go. Chest is feeling a little bad today. Still hurts.
When did you last do it?
A couple days ago. Still hurts.
Somebody's overtraining, I think. Jason. It still hurts. Work another body part. Yes, no, maybe.
It's weird, it still hurts though.
Why don't you train something else? Good hurt or bad hurt?
Bad.
Well, then definitely stop. Oh, why don't you ponder it off camera, okay?
Ponder it off camera.
All right. All right. Be ready, Chuck. I will be dipped in shit. All right, what are we attempting here? 340.
This is for Don't touch it yet, I got it. Come on, gorilla prick.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, you got that close. Because you're both helping. You both help me.
Yeah, something went wrong there.
Something went wrong there.
Someone must have.
His fucking leg up.
Did someone put their hand under the bar and make a lopsided on you? What
Yeah, they
happened?
made a lopsided.
I didn't tell. I had my hand. There's no way you were going to get that ever.
You know, if it's two people, you can't have two people.
So try it again. Put on 350 and try that.
You can't have.
Trampoline effect is not going to be a bench, dude. I don't care what you do.
Well, when I do it with one person, I get it up and tend to get on.
Springboarding it off your trampoline.
Oh, trampoline.
Springboarding it off his chest.
I get it usually with no help, but I guess I felt awkward because
If you springboard it hard enough with 410, you probably get it.
He wants to crack his sternum.
needed shoulders. Ready? The phone? Nice and heavy. Second and piss.
You're done, you hit the same button.
Let's see how many you can get. Go all the way up. There you go.
Come on.
Got it. A couple times. Sickening.
What do you have to say for yourself?
It's sick.
Go ahead.
Considering how old I am, I'm almost 30 years old, how many injuries I have, back injury, shoulder injuries, hip injuries, I'm still in pretty good shape. I mean, my injuries heal quick. So I'm in pretty good shape. We're gonna do shoulders and trapezius muscles, shrugs. I'm giving a shout out to Chris Romano. Chris Romano's getting a shout out for making another Star Wars trivia video for me. Sickening, bulking up to 260 Star Wars. Made a sickening Star Wars tribute video for me a couple days ago. Thanks, Chris Romano.
Is it Romano or Romero? I think it's Romano.
Romano. Yeah. We'll be back, folks.
Did you just say you're going to attempt to shrug 500 pounds?
I'm gonna try.
Really?
Yeah, you ready?
I'm ready if you're ready.
I'm gonna change my grip again. Sickening, it's pissing, it's revolting, it's insulting. Sound like the Tom and Jerry mouse.
Okay, so Jason is about to
Do behemoth.
shrug 405 with his patented over-under grip. Why? I have no idea.
Go really high right here. Really, really high. As high as possible. That's it. Couple good reps, quality, not quantity. Peace up, bye. Set after set after set after set. Okay, we're gonna start off with 50. We're gonna shoulders and trapezius muscles. It's just a warm up to get the blood flow.
It's reverse drop set time.
Try to get it real good. Pyramid, superset. No rest. No rest. No rest for pussies. All out enough from Dungeon Slayer. Old lines.
There goes your boy.
One more set and then we'll drop it.
Phew, Jason.
Trying to break the equipment?
Try not to slam it so hard. Jennifer, she said to hear that.
See, he could do full reps on the machine, half reps on the real. Cunt. Ape, prick, and ying. So, when are we gonna go out drinking, Jason?
I don't drink.
That's a good thing. We'd both be locked up by the end of the night for sure.
Brad, I'll go out drinking with you, buddy. Just you hit me up and let me know.
I'll see you guys.
All right, man. See you Wednesday.
All right.
That's it.
Burnt, cooked, and I'm about to get a shot of Chris Morano. And sickening workout video. Let's go outside and show my weight once. Oh, really? Show my weight.
Yeah.
After a workout, we weigh 200. Lost some weight. Working out. 225. Good.
What did you start out at today?
228.9. Alright. We'll leave the gym. Let's slide over here.
All right, I'm stopping it. All right, you done? You good?
Good.
All right.